Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I'm showing you how you can be able to claim your Nodepay airdrop. Okay, today Nodepay has already listed out like few hours ago and it's currently even trading on the market. So as you can see right here, this is my wallet that I used and I'm still using my system, my laptop. I've been trying to connect to Nodepay since morning, but it has not been working for me. That's why I have not made any video whatsoever concerning it. So here I'm going to show you live how I'm going to do it so that you'll be able to do your own. I am saying this thing as at 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon for today. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my gas fee, which is more than 0.02. I have $8 here, but 0.03 just in case. So I'll just click on here. That's agree with the terms and conditions to be able to try again, since I've been trying since morning and it hasn't been working out for me so far. But let me just try now and see if it will be successful in terms of claiming, so that I can be able to have my tokens inside. So it's still loading. So finally, after multiple attempts, I have been able to, as you can see right here, I've now successfully claimed my 154 Nodepay coins. Okay, so it is now on my wallet. Hopefully it's in my wallet, since it has actually gone. It should be in my wallet and I can be able to start using it to trade. Coin is already on Phantom Wallets. If you type it and search for Nodecoin, if you type for Nodecoin, it's already on Phantom Wallet. The first one, not this ones, the first one, which is this one, it's 0.03 in price, which is on top. That's what it is already showing. So that's how to do it. Then I've already claimed. Then I'm going to switch to my mobile device now, because I want to sell it on my Kucoin. I'm using Kucoin to be able to sell. So as you can see right here, this is my wallet. I've already gotten 40 something dollars here on my Nodepay. As you can see, this is my Nodepay as well as my Solana. So I've already successfully claimed mine. So I'm going to send my Nodecoin. Okay, I'm sending my Nodecoin towards my Kucoin so I can be able to sell it from there. That's what I want to do and keep my profit. So basically that's how you can be able to do it. It's my Kucoin, and this is how much I've actually made from Nodepay coin. As you are already seeing it here, this is $45, as you are already seeing it. Okay, so for you who, if you're having any issue in terms of mining, all you have to do is to refresh your browser multiple times. After that, copy that link and put it on another link on another tab and try it several times. There's no way it will not work. Okay, that's what I did and be able to finalize. So that's every single thing about claiming your Nodepay. Thanks.